Why should designers prioritize visiting world-class manufacturer exhibitions like BharatTex? Hello everyone, I'm Vikram. Today, we are diving into why attending major industry exhibitions like BharatTex is a game changer for designers. Welcome to Finesse Couture Insights. Why should you invest your time and resources in these events? Because they offer invaluable market feedback, deep industry insights, and direct exposure to the latest trends. But exhibitions aren't just about displaying your work. They are strategic opportunities you can elevate your brand and business. Stay tuned as we break down the key benefits. And if you find this content useful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell and stay updated. Direct engagement and real-time feedback. Exhibitions offer something you can't get online: real-time interactions and tangible product experiences. Let me list a few of them. Showcasing your brand identity. Present your creative vision and brand story to a concentrated audiences of serious buyers and industry professionals. Face-to-face customer insights. Meeting your customers firsthand gives you direct feedback on their preferences, expectations, and what resonates with them. The power of physical experience. Seeing, touching, and feeling fabrics in person makes a lasting impact, something that digital platforms simply cannot replicate. Instant business discussions. Engage in meaningful conversations, gauge interest, and even start forming partnerships right on the spot. If you're serious about understanding your audience and refining your offerings, exhibitions like BharatTex provide an unparalleled opportunity to connect. Market intelligence and industry trends. Beyond networking, these events are a goldmine for learning. Observe industry leaders, see firsthand what technologies, materials, and design approaches leading brands are using, and stay ahead of the trends. Get exclusive insights into the latest fabric innovations, sustainable solutions, and emerging design movements. Research and competitive edge. Exhibitions allow you to study the market, scout for new ideas, and identify gaps that you can uniquely fill. This isn't about showcasing your work. It's about equipping yourself with knowledge that keeps you ahead of the curve. Strategic exposure and industry positioning. So why is participation especially important for designers? Because it's about visibility and credibility on a global stage. Leverage a global platform. Events like BharatTex aren't just exhibitions. They are strategic initiatives, often backed by governments, to showcase the country's manufacturing and design capabilities. Learn from industry giants. Witness how top players present and position themselves, and apply those lessons to elevate your own brand. Make your mark. Being part of these events places you alongside well-established names, helping you solidify your presence in the industry. Attracting international buyers. Many top-tier buyers specifically attend these exhibitions year after year, looking for new and unique offerings. This is your chance to be discovered. For designers, this is more than just an exhibition. It's an opportunity to establish authority in the industry and expand into international markets. Connecting with buyers and the designer. It's not just about international buyers. Exhibitions are also a gateway to major local retailers and a space where designers have an opportunity to stand out. Access local retail chains. Large multi-brand stores and high-end retailers actively seek new high-quality collections at these events. A growing designer presence. Despite the scale of these exhibitions, designer-led brands are still underrepresented, making this a prime opportunity to stand out. I would also say there should be a forward nudge for designers. There's a real need for more creative, design-driven brands to showcase their work. By participating now, you're not just representing yourself, you're hoping and helping to shift the balance towards a stronger designer presence. If you have been looking for a way to gain visibility, connect with your buyers, and establish your brand in the market, these are your moments. Attending major exhibitions is one of the smartest moves a designer can make. You get direct customer interactions, market insights, brand exposure, and global networking opportunities. If you want to be at the forefront of the industry, you need to be where the industry meets.